This video is for educational and informational purposes only. The tools and topics shown are meant to raise awareness, not encourage misuse.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you're watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to edit check. So this video is actually for educational purpose and not for any fraudulent activity or to promote crime. Okay, without wasting much of our time, let's get to today's work. So what you have to do right now is to click on your PixelLab. So we want to edit this check. So it's so easy to edit. All you have to do is just to know what you are editing. Okay, this is what you have to do. Okay. Let's say let me save this. So let me do this. Okay, then I'll save this. So what we have to do right now is to go to our PixelLab. Then PixelLab need internet. Turn it on back. So sorry, PixArt, I mean, sorry for my mistakes. So I click on this. Depending on what you are editing here, you understand, you go to your eraser, which is remove. So you clean whatever you want to clean. Okay, you clean whatever you want to clean. If you want to clean this check number, maybe I will share the fonts. That is still maybe. So let me know if you actually watch this video. Text me that you need the check number file, then I will send it to you. So okay, that's the only way I will know you watch the video, or you watch it to this stage. That's it. Or just comment that you need the check number font. So you can remove everything you want here. Just remove whatever you want. Okay, remove whatever you want on this card. So the amount, do you see that? This is the date. I clean out the date and the amount too. Let me clean out the amount as well. Let me clean out the amounts carefully. So you can clean up the signature, you can clean up anything. All you have to do is just to clean it up. Once you clean it up, you'll be able to what's it called, write a new one there. Okay, so can you see this place clean very well, the number clean very well, the date clean very well, but this our amount did not clean very well. So what I have to do right now is to go to my place here, where it's called choose and clone. So I will choose the part I want to clone, then I will zoom this place and clone it. That's all. Do you see that? Easy peasy. Then that's all for that one. I save it. Once I done saving it, I go to my PixelLab. Sorry, why my PixelLab doing this to me? So I'll go to the PixelLab. Okay, so what I have to do right now is to clear this project. This is our last video project. Okay, then what we have to do right now is to save from image. Wow. Then for that I will need okay I will need this. The one I clean will be the one I will bring in as use image from your gallery. So the one that you don't clean, the first check that you the first check image that you downloaded or that you download from my Telegram group. Okay, this is how you import it. You click on this place, then you click on import, then you select it. Do you understand it? Then you click on relative size. Okay, you mark it, then you lock it. Okay, after you done locking it, The reason why you lock it is that you don't want to be moving it around when you are working on it, okay? Nothing really special. Just for you not to be moving it around. Then the next thing you have to do right here is bring in your text. You have to bring in your text. Then what's it called? I don't want to rewrite anything, so let me just do it this way. Okay, no internet, sorry. I don't want that to corrupt again, so copy. I don't care about the font, please. You can, when you are practicing your own, you can actually go for fonts. Select everything very well. Make sure you use a match font. So these are actually for educational purpose. So when you are trying your own too, you can do whatever you want. So pay. So in this case, I think they left 2 spaces here. Sorry. So, 1 more space. Then okay. So, here we go. I put that here. You understand? I put it on the other first one. So about these numbers, I don't know. Maybe this can copy it for me. Copy. So what I have to do is new text. Okay. Strong with you. All this is just sorry. I don't know. Okay, it's Arabic. Just wondering to see what's going on. So if you notice, those what's it called? It's not the same. It's not the same with the fonts. So let me just change the color. You can't place this on a check. Like this stuff, you can't place it on a check. What you have to do is you go to your font. I don't know. Let me check. Thanks. I don't know the name of the font. I have to check it. Hold on. So guys, I've get it. The name of the font is MICRENC. So that's the name of the font. You can download it yourself if you know how to download it. If you don't know how to download it, comment so I can know you watched the video to this stage, or text me on my Telegram group. Okay, then you press on OK. Then you have your font. You have your check number, as you can see. So if you want to write, what is it called? This one, this symbol right here. This symbol, I think is. Oh, sorry. I think it's C. This thing is now writing like Arabic. Can you see? I don't know why. Maybe it's because of this. I don't know. Yeah, then you write C. Fuck. What the hell is this now? This is 1, 2, 3, not Arabic, I beg. Are you kidding me? Yes, we are now back to 1, 2, 3. Then anywhere you want to put that sign, you write C. Okay. Anywhere you want to put that sign, you write C. I don't care about how they arrange the number. This is just you understand, a tutorial for you to understand. Can you see? Then you set it very well to the normal place. Okay. Then that's all for that one. Then you replace everything, like the date, the amount, everything. I hope we are recording good. So this one too, you copy it. Just make sure you replace everything out back. Copy. You place it on it. Okay, then this one to 2800. I don't need to copy that, but I'm just too being lazy. I love copy and paste so much. Sorry for that. So here we go. Then now you can now hide this one back, then you have these results. So when you are trying your own, take your time and make sure you do something perfect. Okay, so you can easily use the same step I used to teach you this to clean everything on the card, to clean everything on the check, then write a new thing you want on it. I hope you understand it. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. Meet next tutorial again with another hot kick. Bye.